Hey guys, welcome to another cleaning edition, and this is the spring cleaning in quarantine, guys. So let's gonna start. The first thing I'm gonna teach you what to do is this homemade disinfectant spray, especially if you can find any spray at the store. So all you're gonna need is an atomic settle like this. You're gonna need white vinegar. You're gonna need rubbing alcohol. You're gonna need some dough. You're gonna need some baking soda, and you're gonna need some softening clothes detergent. And the first thing you're gonna need is the same quantity of water, the same quantity of vinegar. Then add a little bit, the half of the part of alcohol, some drops of Downy, and a little baking soda. Take care they can rise a little bit, and you can use your Softland, Suavitel, Downy, whatever you use for your clothes. And this is the most important because the rest kill bacteria, but this the ingredient here, quaternary ammonia, it kills viruses. So it's important to use, and you mix everything and you're ready to go. La misma receta la di en mi Instagram y la voy a poner abajo los ingredientes en español. So este spray les sirve para sus muebles, para sus cojines. Yo no puedo usar las toallas cloros en esta clase de muebles, entonces voy a echar el spray que preparé aquí en mi esponja y voy desinfectando al menos una vez a la semana. So I can use Clorox towels, but you can use the spray that I just teach you in all those kind of furnitures and leather furniture. So don't do directly, use a sponge or a microfiber towel. So it's gonna be disinfecting at least once a week, or if somebody have any viruses, flu or something, it's important to do it. We got kids and all that. So it's amazing, don't have any smell. And the smell is the little bit of Downy, Suavitel, whatever. So I'm cleaning here, cleaning, disinfecting. My son is helping me. I'm gonna use the Clorox towels in the rest of the house. So this spray as well works for the remotes. Remember, all the bacteria live is there in our house, in our hotels and everything. Es importante limpiar los controles remotos porque es ahí donde más bacterias se acumulan. Así que esta receta que les di sirve mucho para esto, y luego lo secamos con una toalla enseguida. Recuerden que el control es donde más bacterias hay, en los hoteles, en nuestras casas. Y no se olviden de los juguetes de los niños. Muy importante pasarle una toallita a cada uno de sus muebles y todo. Ahora voy a pasar al baño, el cual no me gusta verlo cuando ya se llena mucho. Y este video es aseo de primavera. Aquí se usa mucho que todas las primaveras la gente desarma toda la casa y bota lo que no sirve. Así que les quiero dar una inspiración para que también les dé ganas de hacer aseo. Esto me tomó 2 días. Y así que no me gusta ver el baño muy empachado. One thing that I don't like is in my bathroom clutter. So the first thing I like to use is the Clorox, and then clean those mirrors, girls. If I don't see foam, I'm not happy. So another thing that I'm gonna be doing is now I'm gonna use the disinfecting spray that I teach you, and I'm gonna be disinfecting everything. I'm gonna be using flowers for spring, and I just gonna use all my skincare routine that I'm using currently. Puras cosas innecesarias que uno de verdad no usa, y cogí toallas limpias. A couple of clean towels, all you need, an empty space, and that's it. So everything is beautiful. So that's empty. Hello. Ahora voy a pasar a la mesa, que uso toallas cloro primero. Hey, mi hijo los saluda. Y luego voy a limpiar lo que no quede ninguna huella, pero es difícil con el niño encima. So I'm gonna try to clean, but my son don't have to be. I must like to clean when he's sleeping every night, so it's easy for me. He don't gonna put his prints there. I'm thinking about changing this table, guys, but I can't go out and get one just right now. But just the fingerprints, and I'm tired. So I choose this purple flowers because this year the color gonna be purple, and I'm gonna be playing with lots of stuff here. El color que cogí para esta temporada es el morado, porque es un color de de Semana Santa porque es un color que trae mucha esperanza y quiero muchas flores. Va a ser una decoración sencilla. Estas velas son de Glammies, chicos, si les interesan el link está abajo. Ellos me mandaron esta nueva edición y pega perfecto. Me encanta el olor de melocotón, de flores, estos deliciosos olores, y ellas quedan muy hermosas también decoración. I love this new glaze. If you're interested, the link is down below. They sent me those. So they match perfectly, guys. So now let's go to the table. And for the table scale, I got this runner from 2 years ago. I love the color mint for the spring, so all pastel is mine. I found at Ross and you interested, guys, 2 years ago. Now I can go out, but my inspiration was these flowers so beautiful around me. As a centerpiece, I'm gonna use all that I have, guys. Me gusta el color menta, todos los colores son hermosos y esto me inspiró, estas flores me inspiraron y esto fue lo único que pude salir a comprar. Este año los conseguí en Walmart y machean perfecto con estas flores. Cuando la vi me enamoré de estos platos porque no he podido salir, así que estoy usando el mismo runner de el año pasado. Me encantan los colores pasteles y este es mi color favorito, el menta y el rosa. Entonces aquí lo estoy usando. Estos platos también los conseguí el año pasado en Walmart. Y aquí están. I found those at Walmart the last year, so here they are. I think match perfectly. So I'm gonna put these rings and those towels and napkins. I'm gonna put candles. Everything is pink, everything is mint. So just giving ideas how simple you can decor without go outside. So I thinking if I leave the dishes like this because match more with the flowers, or I just put the top, I don't know. La cocina y voy a limpiar la isla. Esta es mi parte favorita de limpiar y voy a usar toallas para esta clase de isla, de material. And now we're gonna start cleaning and I'm using the granny towels. Yeah, so for this table, I found this tray. I already got it. I think I found on Home Goods. And I got this beautiful jar that I found the last year, but I couldn't use last year because it was at the end of the spring. So it's perfect for some pom-poms or tulipans or whatever, but I found those flowers in the dollar store for $1, guys, and it's so pretty. It's just a splash of purple that I want for my table. And those candies I found at dollar store as well, and they perfect, and my son loves to be eating. So este jarrón ya lo tenía del año pasado, pero no lo pude estrenar. Estas flores las conseguí en la tienda del dólar y estos dulces también. Mi hijo está loco con estos dulces. Vamos a completar el look con una vela. Ustedes saben que yo no puedo vivir sin el olor de levantarme y una casa que huela a delicioso. So the candle is the cherry to the cake. I found those beautiful napkins in place at the dollar store as well. It's the only place I have been really lately. It was one time once at the dollar store and at Walmart. So I really want to change those towels, but this is from the last year. I want something like a purple as well to match with my decor. No pude cambiar las toallas. Realmente estoy buscando algo que tenga moradito, pero ahora no podemos salir, así que olvídenlo. Este jarrón ya lo tenía y le estoy poniendo unas flores. Quiero muchas flores, muchas flores. Y voy a limpiar el piso, que es lo único que me falta para completar aquí. And I'm cleaning for complete this look. It's a little cold, it's a little chilly, so I covered. So this is how looks the living room by so far. This is how the living room looks by so far. And I think it's pretty and it's simple and it's clean. I just need another throw, a purple throw and some pillows, but when everything fits it, or I think order by online. So this is how looks the dining. I just add this sparkling rose, and I think it looks simple, beautiful as well. Everything is simple, guys. I'm working with, you know, what I told you already. I got in the other just the flowers. I changed the flowers, and it's just because I love this type of flowers. Maybe I need to find some more. And this is how it looks the kitchen. Everything is flowers. I say in life, flowers is hope in middle of this crisis. moment that we are living the darkness moment. And so hope for the souls have left and for one are sick and to stop all this. So this is a little simple. I don't like have anything in my kitchen at all. I really don't like to have anything. So yeah, this is simple. This side of the kitchen is just like Krispy Kreme is quarantine snack, guys. I just add flowers to these things, and this spot here I just get this snow cone machine, una máquina de raspados para mi hijo, para entretenerlo. Díganme ustedes qué están haciendo para entretener a sus hijos, y solo me gustó porque machea con el mantel que lo tengo del año pasado. Y pues chicas, sí, cuéntenme qué están haciendo para entretener a sus hijos. Aquí mi hijo está disfrutando, escuchando canciones. Y chicas, espero que les haya gustado este video y que tengan motivación para limpiar. I hope this video really helps and you got the motivation to clean. See you in the next. Bye bye.